Oh goodness, I was talking earlier about these lovelies. I'm telling you, see if I can get it to focus up here. These are used to hold the stitch markers. To store them. Of course, they were probably made for charms. Charms? Yes, these are probably made for charms. Not in focus here. Working on it. Yeah, put it down. There we go. These are probably made just to go, like a brooch or something to go on a sweater or a vest or a jacket to hold charms or your monogram, your letters for your name. But my theory on these are they are perfect for holding the stitch markers. Okay, I'm going to pull that open. You can see, just hook it onto a ball of yarn if that's what you're working on. Just hang it on there. You got your stitch markers, especially if you are busying yourself with several different colors of yarn. You get that going right there, and you've got stitch markers to put in each spot. Some work is pretty tedious, and you if you're putting sleeves in a sweater or something and you need to mark your stitches, mark your spot, put your stitch markers on these. And this is the one that has only 3 loops. You got 3 loops here. Totally love it. And I'm going to unhook that and put it back in the bag, eh? These are amazing. I absolutely love them. You can pick them up at your Hobby Lobby, maybe. I'm not sure how much you'll have to pay for them, but yes, those are divine. But I'm actually into the antique looking goodies here. So I have some antique ones that, oh, I love. I have some antique old pieces of charms to, charms, beadery, whatever, to make some stitch markers. So look at it. It can hold several stitch markers. All you people that are working up a sweater or something tedious, even like with knitters. I knit, but not anything that's going to stress me out. I do the basic knitting, nothing spectacularly difficult because I just don't. I prefer crocheting. Like Krista Patel said, I prefer the crocheting. So I've got a bundle of these in here, and I will tell you right now, these are Amaze Bomb. I love them. I love the antique or bronze look. Yep. So those are going in there. It's going to hold on to my treasures. Yep. Earlier I had talked about some that I had made over Christmas. Got my little treasure bottle here. These are just a little jingle bells. This is a miniature mason, a ball jar. It's got these little jingle bells in it. Perfect for when you go back to your work and you're going, OMG, where did I stop? What was the last thing I did? I love these. perfect. Little bitty treasures here. There's red ones. You can buy these in different sizes. I do believe these came from the Dollar Tree. I can't promise you. If you have a Dollar Tree or a little store that sells things in bulk, you can make those. Oh, there went the treasures. Here we have a little snowball. Oh, come on, focus, darling. Focus. Hold it down a little so we can get this in focus. Ignore that horrible sound. It's trying to focus for me, and of course I'm using my old camera. And the window, oh no, I think it's snowing out. I told you the clouds were all snowy. Well, here's a miniature snowball. Yeah. Alright guys, I just wanted to share a few things with you today. But I'm giving a shout out to my friend Matthew Fox, oh my gosh, Matthew Fox, who makes awesome jewelry. So Matthew, these might give you some ideas to have in your beadery. God bless you all. Have a great day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Have a good one. It is a mason jar, a little miniature one. Not for preserving, made in the USA. It's what it says right there. Okay. God bless you all real big. And I'm going to go and patch all these videos together. Have a very good day. And remember, we are His favorite. Absolutely. We are His favorite. All of us, not just me, but all of us. This is one I made, guys. It's ridiculously full of all kinds of trinkets. It does not. I just threw this together from some of those treasures that, you know, you find. Old jewelry. Something that, oh, come on now, let's get with it. Okay, whatever. Look at it. I love it. This is just one of my make it, take it's. Like the purple bead right there. And this big, lovely. Yeah, it's just all kinds of treasures in here. That I made just using this little, there's a name for it. It's shaped like a light bulb. It's called a bulb clasp, I believe. Okay, let me see if I can hold it still so you can get to a look-see. Too close. There we go. I love it. All right. Be blessed always, and remember, you are important, and you are special. Don't ever forget it. Let me turn this around so you can see the bling bling in there. I know, I just threw all kinds of goodies on there because I just needed a quick stitch marker, and if you got the stuff lying around, you can do it. This is just some old jewelry that I upcycled and made a stitch marker. Oh, my stomach is just rumbling. Time for lunch. No, it's dinner time. Good grief, look at the time. All right, I'm going to go upload these, see what we can get, and God bless you all. It's me, that Yarny Zebra. Just in case you popped on, don't have a clue who I am, I'm celebrating 700 Club. That's me, on the 700 Club now.